Hi there. This is VidTool tutorial. Thousands of new YouTubers think on how they get easily the subscribers to reach 1000 subscribers, and 4000 watch time hour that required by YouTube in order to be monetize your YouTube channel. Many alternative ways to get real subscriber in YouTube. If you want to know how to get real subscribers, stay tuned and watch till the end. You can get subscriber by copying your YouTube link and posting in the Facebook groups related on YouTube. You can also download Sub2Sub application on App Store. But you can also get a real subscriber for free. How can I get free subscribers? Just follow a few steps to get in. First, go to your browser and type free YouTube subscriber. Choose this one. Tap where I can find my YouTube channel ID and press Let Me In Now. Then you will be directed into Sub2Sub site, where you can plan your Sub2Sub for free. Just follow the direction on it. This video tutorial is made by this channel. Thank you for watching.